This pocket hole jig makes strong joints easily. Made from durable metal and high-speed steel, it lasts 3 times longer than plastic or regular metal jigs. It includes 2 high-quality fully ground steel drill bits. The foldable extension rod keeps long boards steady. This user-friendly tool ensures precise drilling for woodworking projects like cabinets, frames, and furniture, making it perfect for professionals and beginners. This set includes 14 high-quality Forstner drill bits for woodworking. Made with strong carbide tips, they last longer than regular steel. These bits create clean, smooth holes with fine teeth that prevent rough edges. The design ensures precise drilling for pocket holes and overlapping holes. The shank style keeps drilling steady, making it ideal for professionals and hobbyists working on wood projects. This one-handed scribing tool is perfect for marking surfaces like wood, stone, and soft metal. It has an adjustable design for precise scribing up to 25 mm. The locking nut ensures accuracy every time. It prevents chipping or breakouts on delicate materials. This tool is easy to adjust and use, making it an essential tool for woodworking and DIY projects. This 9-in-1 measuring and marking tool is perfect for accurate woodworking. It features built-in levels, a sliding bevel, and depth gauge. It measures angles at 45 degrees and 90 degrees. It helps transfer measurements easily and ensures precise layouts. With a durable design, this tool is ideal for both professionals and beginners working on woodworking and construction projects. This high-efficiency electric hand planer runs at 16,500 cuts per minute. The precise aluminum base ensures smooth results. It features dual dust outlets, allowing dust removal from either side. The V-shaped groove design makes chamfering easy. A built-in spring bracket protects the blades. The lock-on button allows comfortable operation from either side, making woodworking easier and more effective. This edge band trimmer is perfect for trimming and chamfering wood edges. It includes 1 trimmer and 3 different blades for various functions. The aluminum alloy body with a tungsten steel blade ensures durability and rust resistance. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. This tool is ideal for furniture making, woodworking, and cabinet projects, delivering smooth and precise results every time. This cordless jigsaw features an orbital function for efficient cutting. The variable speed control allows precision for different materials. It has an ergonomic handle for steady control. The tool-free blade change system makes switching blades quick and easy. The built-in LED light improves visibility. This jigsaw is compatible with all Worx batteries, making it a smart and cost-saving choice for DIY projects. This multifunctional vise securely clamps onto workbenches. The quick release button allows easy positioning without turning screws. The strong steel construction ensures durability. It features a 360-degree swivel base for versatile clamping angles. The smooth guide rail makes adjustments easy. This vise is perfect for woodworking, drilling, metalworking, sanding, and other projects requiring a stable and secure work surface. This tool creates strong dowel joints for woodworking projects. It supports edge, corner, and surface joints using different dowel pin sizes. The durable aluminum body prevents bending. Retractable edge stops automatically align boards for perfect dowel positioning. Hardened steel bushings ensure precise, long-lasting drilling. This tool simplifies woodworking, making it ideal for both professionals and beginners working on furniture and cabinetry. This dowel maker creates wooden dowels with precision. The carbide blade design makes it efficient for shaping sticks. The 1-inch thick hole helps guide the dowel straight. The durable aluminum body ensures stability. It is recommended to secure it with a clamp before use. This tool is perfect for woodworking projects requiring precise dowel shaping and smooth, professional results.